Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of CareerKunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS, back to give you the answer of your comments on our MBA hiring videos. So before we move on to the comments, one thing is that we have created a course on advanced Excel. It has been created by one of our team member, Harshit Agarwal, who is a CA and CS both. She has done also worked in HDFC and Kotak Bank, and she has created her course out of her expertise of working in Excel. You can find the details about this course into the by clicking on the link given in the description sections. These topics have been covered in this particular course, and every topic has a practice sheet in the course, and we are offering it at a very economical cost of just 499. So you can get this from the link given below in the description box. And we have our own application by the name Career Kunj on App Store and Google Play, from where you can download it and learn it on the mobile as well. Okay, so if you want to learn Excel, because that is one of the most important skills for the students into corporates, हर किसी को Excel पे काम करना पड़ता है, and if you are not good at it, I would recommend to go for this course. All right, so let's move on to the comments, starting with the first one. Hello sir, what to do if I don't get induction mail before date of joining? So basically, date of joining, if you have got your joining mail and if you have got your date of joining, you have to report on the date of joining. Okay, and if you have not got the induction mail, that's okay. You go and report on the date of joining, because sometimes they miss on to send the induction mail. But if you have got the joining letter with the joining date, with the joining location, go and report that. They will take you inside and they will sort it internally, but don't miss on reporting on the date of joining. Okay, next, does TCS provide accommodation to candidates during training period? No, basically they will not cover any accommodation cost, but when you will go there, they will help you will get to know about lot of PGs and hostels around the TCS campus. So basically all, like, freshers join every year, every month, so there are so many places where already students are living near TCS, and you will get to know. So once you report there, you will come across friends who are staying nearby, and they can help you with the suitable places. But as such, TCS doesn't pay for the accommodation on the during the training period, because TCS offices are commercial offices. They don't have any accommodation space. Also, you have to take care of your accommodation outside. Next, sir, in the readiness survey, we have opted for post-September joining, and our exams get over in December first week. What if we get our joining in the month of October, November? You have to intimate them that you cannot join because your exams are due. So, if you get your joining in the month of October, November, then inform them to postpone it. Simple. सर आई एम फ्रॉम हरिद्वार उत्तराखंड सर जॉइनिंग लेटर कब तक आएगा प्लीज़ हेल्प विथ मी डज डिले इन जॉइनिंग टू डिपेंड्स अपॉन माय रीजन देखो डिले नहीं होता है ठीक है इसको बोलते हैं बैचिंग अब बैचिंग जो होती है इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द रिक्वायरमेंट एंड ट्रेनिंग लोकेशन आपका जो जॉइनिंग लोकेशन है उसका क्या ट्रेनिंग कैलेंडर है तो ट्रेनिंग कैलेंडर एक प्रॉपर बनता है उसमें एक बैच कब ज्वाइन करेगी दूसरी बैच कब ज्वाइन करेंगी अब आपका रीजन को आपको ऑफर लेटर देना था जो दैट यू हैव गॉट इट राइट नाउ विच रीजन इन विल यू गेट जॉइनिंग इज नॉट श्योर बिकॉज दैट विल ओनली यू कम टू नो when you will get your joining letter. So it is something depends upon the batches, and it is not delay, it is already batches mapped. So wait for the next batch, hope your chance will come there. So don't think like that it is getting delayed by anyone. It is created in batches. Next, hello sir, during my undergraduate studies I worked as an office boy in pharma company through a contractor and PF was deducted. Since contractor don't provide joining exit letters, I only marked exit in my PF account. I only marked exit account into getting proof of employment. It is not right that contractor doesn't provide exit letters. Contractors do provide. You have to ask them to give it to you on their letterhead, because it is your right as a employee anywhere, be it contractor or anyone, so they can They should give you because you should get it, because you never know who can ask for it tomorrow. Okay, maybe TCS doesn't ask for it, but tomorrow if any other company asks for it, then so better always remember in life, get the documents of your employment. Otherwise, you never know when people can create issues about it, and the more you delay it, the more older it will get, and people will forget you in the past company. So better you get that, whenever you leave it, and as earliest as possible. To answer your question, if you can get it, yes, do get it. Whether it will create an issue, it depends whether TCS will ask for it or not. But since PF are deducted, they will know about it from the UN number. But will they create issue? That's something only when the background check will happen, you will come to know. But better you get the document so that you can justify that. I gave my interview for MBA hiring in Chennai location. When will I receive the joining letter? So basically, the joining happens in batches. First batch has already been onboarded. The next batch shall uh, get the intimation by the mid of September, is my assumption. Next, sir, I have one doubt. I have submitted BGC within 3 days after getting, but at the time I have not have PAN card and passport application of both. That's a PAN card passport. No, it will not be a reason for the delay. Once you will receive your joining letter, you will again be asked to upload the documents. Okay, so that is where you can again submit the documents, pending documents, and then those documents which are supposed to be submitted before joining the NCA medical certificate and documents. So when will the result of NQT students will be released for 25 batch? I don't know. Because it is intentionally getting delayed. So TCS is not releasing it. So अब उन्होंने रोक के रखा है तो क्या करेंगे अब. They don't want to release it. So nothing can be said when it will come, because it is intentionally getting holded. क्योंकि उसके बाद के जो भी इंटरव्यूज़ हुए हैं दूसरी हायरिंग्स के, इग्नाइट और स्मार्ट के, इट हैज़ ऑलरेडी बीन डिक्लेयर्ड, बट TCS NQT वाले का वो डिक्लेयर नहीं कर रहे हैं. So intentionally, I think they are holding it, and they are not also disclosing when it will come out. I've checked with different people, but nobody knows. So can't say with any clarity. Honestly, that is an honest answer, and I know it's frustrating, it's irritating, but I am sorry, I don't know, and I hope it should come soon. Okay. Hello, sir. What is the major difference between IT management and UPS industry? Because you are told to give or consent to organization by NS in opening in UPS. I asked you two things. Who is asking you? Number one. Number two. Um are like so when did you got your offer letter? Is it something you got it from MBA hiring, or is it something you got it from experience hiring? First, I need to understand this. Then I will explain. Okay. Next, I gave my interview for Ignite in Odisha on 9 July. Ignite hiring. Okay. 9 July. Still haven't sent it. That's Odisha who applied for smart hiring. I don't know particularly from Odisha anybody has got the mail, but wait for a few more weeks if you have not got it, because sometimes results get delayed. So, uh, okay. So, keep your hopes alive. So my friend joined on 21st, and she told me that the training is for 1 week. Can we expect joining it sooner in this case? Training is just for 1 week. So are they just training on basic things? Because 1 week is very less. Anyway, um, what I understand is it could be a possibility. Anyway, we are making assumptions. I don't have, uh, some. It is not like I know this, but I'm just making assumptions. So maybe if it happens soon, so it should come soon. So that is what I am thinking logically. But let's see. Anybody from Kolkata got joining letter? No, no. Okay. Anyone from MP? I don't think so. Then anybody got it. Sir, I only got offer letter on 16 July. The role is management trainee. Can you please explain what the job role actually is? Go to the one of the podcasts that we have done in the live section of our channel. It that complete podcast is about roles of management trainee, and it covers in detail, so you can check it out. It will give you complete clarity. Sir, can you comment anything about TCS entry result for non-upgrade students? No, I just addressed it. I don't know because they are not disclosing it. Anyone from Tamil Nadu got the joining? Tamil Nadu, some people have got the joining. Okay, guys, so I think we have covered the comments. Thank you so much. Let us know if you have any more queries. We'll make another videos to answer them. Thank you.